Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restart HUAWEI MatePad 11.5 PaperMatte. Okay, so we have two methods how we can restart this device, and let me show you both of them. So the first and the most common method, which is recommended when the tab is unresponsive, is by holding the power button and by launching the power menu thanks to that. The power menu is located right in here, the power key. Simply hold it for a few seconds. And now all you need to do is to tap on restart. Then tap again. After that, the screen will be turned off. And after a few seconds, the device will be automatically turned on again. And it will be ready to use. And now let's go with the second method, just like I was saying before. And it's called the forced restart. And it's recommended, for example, when the screen is unresponsive and when we cannot perform the simple reboot. To do it, we need to hold the power button and volume down button at the same time until the device shuts down. So volume down is located right in here. I'll press it so you can see that volume now is decreasing. And now we need to hold both of the buttons at the same time to force restart our device. So keep holding both of the buttons. Don't worry that you have taken a screenshot. Sometimes it happens. We just need to keep holding until the device restarts. Okay, and when the HUAWEI logo appears, we can release our fingers. Within a second, the device will be turned on. Okay, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.